In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. So here we have both of these apps open on my phone. Both of these are considered finance and payments apps. They'll have a cash balance, allow you to transfer money back and forth from your bank, and to send peer-to-peer or business payments. So we want the most efficient way to move money from Cash App over to PayPal. You can see I have $172 here in my Cash App balance. And if we go over to PayPal, you can see I have $147 in my PayPal balance. So let's go ahead and move $25 from Cash App over to PayPal. To do this, what we want to do is tap the Cash Out button. We can drag this slider here and get to 25, or we could just tap on the text there and type the exact amount. But I want to tap Cash Out. We can do instant if I need this immediately for a 44-cent fee, or I can do Standard Tuesday. So I'm going to do Standard Tuesday. It's going to scan my face. And that $25 is moving its way over to my bank account. Tap done, and now we'll go to PayPal. Now we want to tap on our balance at the top of the screen, that's $147. Right under that, you'll see a big button, add money from bank or card, so tap on that. Then you can type the exact amount that you want, or you can just tap $25. Again, I can do this in seconds with a debit card, so an instant transfer with no fees. Or I could choose the bank account option and select from my bank accounts here, but that's going to be a 3 to 5 day transfer. So we want to do the one that's in seconds. I'm using a debit card for this, and there's no fees and it's an instant transfer. So let's tap add $25 now. There we go, $25 added, money incoming, look out for it in your balance. Not now. But let's give this a refresh, and you can see now $172 in my PayPal balance. If we go back to the home screen, that will show up there as well. So we can now use this to send money to other PayPal users, or just transfer this money back to our bank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.